and the paint is already gone. So, good day o may hapon sa tanan. So, for today's DIY project, we're going to try to recover this old CPU case, which apparently has been rusted all through the years, but this is still a good case. Maybe we'll try to repaint it with another color and try to use this for a new project. Okay, as you can see here, the frame of this case has already been rusted out. Okay, so hopefully we'll be able to somewhat recover this one, as this is still a usable case. Okay, for safety, use protective mask, as this one is quite rusty. Okay, so we have managed to remove most of the rust. Maybe this will now be ready for spray painting. Okay. So finally, after removing out of all the rust inside this CPU case, we're going to paint this one using the spray paint. So we'll be using this one, the Sherlock spray paint. So color is black, and for safety purposes use some mask. And the paint is already gone. I think we need to buy one more of these to have the finishing touches later. So this is now how it looks like after drying it out all the paint and attaching the front panel of the CPU. So it's all colored black. Okay. So the paint is quite good and rust is no longer visible. Nice. So we'll be using this one in our future project. So by the way, this will be used for change out of our editing PC, which is already quite an old one. Okay. So hopefully in the next video we'll be assembling the new desktop PC that will be used for our editing rig. Okay. So if you think that this video is helpful for you, just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.